Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, but it's not really me doing the cleaning today. It's going to be someone else or something else anyway. So I finally got a new robot vacuum and I'm so glad that I did. I used to have one years ago and I forgot how much I truly enjoyed having one. But this one is top notch compared to my old one. This one does more than just vacuuming, she mops too. So this is the Laresar robot vacuum. She is a smart automatic vacuum cleaner, but she is also a automatic mopping machine. So first, let's do a little unboxing and take everything out, and I'll show you what comes inside of the box. Now I'm so tired. So here we have a user manual, 2 mop cloths, an extra filter. There's already one installed in the vacuum, so it came with 2, a remote control, and it came with batteries as well, which I thought was pretty awesome. It also came with adhesive tapes, the 2 sweeping attachments. This is called a boundary strip. You can actually place it anywhere that you don't want the vacuum to go, which is pretty cool, and it actually works. And then this is the charging station and the power cord, and this is the vacuum itself. So this whole kit came with a lot of amazing and useful items, which is always a plus. Alan is setting up the charging station for me. The cool thing about this charging station is the vacuum goes back to the charging station on its own, so you don't have to carry it there or place it on there. It automatically knows where to go and how to charge itself. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover. And now he's setting it all up for me. He's going to be putting on the sweeping attachments, and then he's also going to be putting the batteries and the remote for me as well. On top here is the compartment where all of the stuff goes that it vacuums up, and I'll show me emptying it later in the video so you can see how well she vacuumed. And this is also where the filter goes. And underneath here is where you fill it up with water so it can mop, and this is also where the mop pad goes. She can be controlled with a touch of a button located right on top of the vacuum, but she can also be controlled through the smart app or through the remote. My main concerns, as always, was can she handle the messes that my cats make? I always make sure any vacuum I use or try can suck up cat litter, cat food, and cat hair too. So you'll see later in the video what all she picked up. So here I'm picking everything up off the floor so she can get to work, and I'm also going to show you the mess left behind from the catnip. It's literally all over the floor, so let's see if she can get the job done. This vacuum has so many cool functions, honestly. It can vacuum the whole floor and mop the whole floor. Not only that, but it can also just vacuum all of the edges of any room if you choose the setting to do that. But it can also spot clean, which is a really neat function. This is a very powerful machine, and she did in fact pick up all of the litter, all of the dust, all of the catnip, all of the cat hair, and she even picked up some other things that I didn't even know was on my floor, and she picked up some cat food as well. Like I said, that is my main concerns because I have large, long-haired ragdoll cats and they can be pretty messy. So if she can clean up after them, she definitely has my vote. So I know this part was random. It actually wasn't done cleaning, but I just wanted to test out and show y'all how it can go back to the charging station. But of course, now that I've showed you that, she's got to get back to work. Honestly, I did not feel like vacuuming today, so she can do it all herself. I also wanted to show you the boundary strip to show you that it actually does work, and when the vacuum senses it, it won't go over it or past it, which is really great, especially if you have like a staircase or something, or just any area that you don't want this vacuum around or near. The boundary strip actually stops the vacuum from going there.
Something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
And now I'm filling it up with some water in the tank located at the bottom of the device, and now it's mopping the floor. This vacuum did such a good job with mopping that even Alan said, wow, it feels so much cleaner in here now. She's totally trying to take over my life and my job, but you know what? I am totally okay with that. She vacuumed and mopped the whole floor, including the bathroom and the kitchen. This vacuum definitely knows what it's doing, and it does a great job, and I am super thankful for this vacuum because there is days when I don't feel like doing anything at all, but I especially don't feel like doing it all myself. So while I'm busy doing other things, she can do all the vacuuming and the mopping for me.
See it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
So while she's doing all the vacuuming, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen quick, and after I'm done in the kitchen, I'm gonna wipe off my bathroom counter and sink.
It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old but kind of new way? Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old but kind of new way? Old but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe.
And now I'm going to show you the results of everything that this vacuum picked up. We're gonna do a little emptying of the canister. Amazing results, great job, picked up everything. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I know this was probably more of a review than a cleaning video because I wasn't really the one doing all of the cleaning, but my goodness, I enjoyed this a little too much because I didn't have to do all of the work for once. Don't forget to check out the link below in my description to find out more about this vacuum or to purchase one for yourself. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!